In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield washer reservoir on your Mazda 3. It's located underneath your bumper. Using an 8mm ratchet, I'm going to remove the bolts along this little piece of plastic engine splash shield. There should be one here. Ours is missing. One here. Now we're going to remove these 3 bolts on this side, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. I'm still using an 8mm socket. So you just want to free that up and do the same on the other side. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts to take the wheel off. Make sure you have a hand on it. Remove your wheel. Now we're going to remove our grommets. These 2. I'm using a Phillips head screwdriver for ours. I don't know if these are aftermarket though. So if you just have the pull ones, just use a trim tool. We're going to peel this back now, and there's a bolt right under here that attaches this bumper to the fender. It's an 8mm. Do the same on the other side. I'm going to remove this grommet with a trim tool, or you may need a Phillips head screwdriver. Do the same on the other side. Now we're going to take out these 2 Phillips head screws. Set those to the side. We're going to unhook it from here and unhook it from here. So once your sides are a little free and ready to go, there's 2 hooks here that you have to pull up on. These 2 hooks, you're going to pull up and then pull the bumper away. As you pull the bumper away, if you have fog lights, you're going to want to hold the bumper up. So take that out, and you can take your bulb out. Twist and turn. You can let that hang and do the same on the other side. If you want, you can just unplug your bulb as well. It's up to you. Now that you have your bumper on the floor, you're going to take out this wiring harness with a trim tool. So after you unhook the harness from here, you're going to take a trim tool, slide it under, and pop this out of its bracket, and just set this somewhere safe. Now we can take the bumper away so we can work. Now we're going to sneak in here and take out this bolt. Gonna let that go, and now we're gonna work on the side here. All right, you're gonna press in on this and pull the connector out. And we're gonna take out the fasteners that are attaching the cord to the washer reservoir. Now we're gonna drain our fluid, our washer fluid out of this. So make sure you have a clean container, and you can take that off. Now that that's drained, we're going to take out this bolt. And we're going to move to this bolt and take that one out. Now I'm going to take this hose out of here. And we're going to unhook it from the stud on this side. You may need a trim tool or a flathead screwdriver to do that. And you can drop it down. You're going to transfer over this clip to over here. You might need a flathead screwdriver to get underneath to pop it off. You're going to feed your washer reservoir up into the hole. Move anything out of the way that maybe it is in your way. Push this onto the stud. You can start your nut here and that'll hold it in place. You can start your bolt here. And then we're going to go inside the wheel well and start our nut on the other side. Once you get everything started, you can then snug everything down. Everything's tight. Now we're going to put our hose on. If your hose is leaking, the kit does come with a hose. You can replace that if needed. Now we're going to plug in our connector. Make sure that's in place. Press this into the housing. Now we're going to put our bumper on. You're going to put your bulb in the socket. Or connect your connector, depending on how you took it off. On this side, I'm going to connect my connector. Now we're going to put this back in the bracket and place our harness back where that lives. This goes here. And do the same on the other side. Now we can pick this up and make sure our hooks are in, and that holds it where it belongs. All right, so we're going to hook our bumper into this groove here, and then we're going to take our bolt and fasten it. So you want to make sure you line up your hole. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Position your splash shield so the holes line up for the bolts. They're all the same size, 8mm socket. Make sure that your shield is properly installed right here so that your grommet lines up here, and this is above the shield. Push your push pin in, and also on the other side. Now we can put our screws in. One there. Then we can put our grommets in. Check your work, make sure everything's pretty good. Install your wheel. I like to walk my wheel on using this bottom lug nut and then tightening in a star-like pattern. We're going to torque our wheel to 85 foot-pounds in a star-like pattern. After feeding your washer tank up, here, make sure that your power steering reservoir is hooked into the washer fluid reservoir. And then you can put your bolts in. Now you're going to take your cap off and fill up your washer fluid. Make sure you fill it up till you see it, and then it's good. All right, so it's always a good idea to test your work. Make sure you put it in right. Working great.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.